Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install USAA policy documents with USAA Secure, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in the official USAA website URL and press enter. Once on the USAA homepage, locate the login button in the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. Enter your USAA user ID and password into the designated fields. Double-check your credentials for accuracy before clicking the login button. After logging in, navigate to the My Accounts section found in the main menu. Look for the Policy Documents link within this section. Click on Policy Documents to access your insurance policies and related documents. If prompted, select the specific policy for which you want to install the documents. Once you've selected the policy, click on the Download or View Documents button. This will display the available documents related to your policy. Review the list and choose the documents you wish to install. You may see options to print, download, or save these documents. Select the Download option to save the files to your device. Choose a location on your device. After saving, navigate to the folder where the documents were downloaded. Open the documents to ensure they download correctly and are readable. If you encounter any issues during this process, return to the USAA homepage. Seek assistance through the customer service chat or support options available. Once everything is complete, ensure your documents are securely stored. You have now successfully installed your USAA policy documents using USAA Secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.